Well, thank you so much. It's just such an inspiring opportunity. As someone who has grown up with science and a physician, entrepreneur, and now CEO, I just am so inspired by the words that have been shared tonight and ultimately the progress that's been made to really improve human health. So tonight we celebrate the path from possibility to proof, from idea to life-changing innovation. When we consider the challenge, really the improbability of scientific breakthrough and taking that to life-changing innovation, I'm reminded of the life motto of Leonardo da Vinci. Let me remind myself. Inserato rigore. It means unrelenting rigor. In my own experience as a physician, entrepreneur, and innovator, I have seen the various forms of rigor. In the last 2 years, the rigor that has been demonstrated is what brings us all together tonight. Rigor is a mentality. It is finding your way to make an impact against all odds. It reminds me of Dr. Kuriko, a woman from Hungary, who in 1985, her lab ran out of funding, and she came to the United States with $900, a 2-year-old daughter, and a husband. Many people may not be aware, but it is the scientific advancements that she has brought to the world that are the intellectual property and backbone of both the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines. Rigor. Thank you. Rigor is committing to solving the hardest problems. For all of us who are scientists, we know that there is deep intellectual satisfaction in discovery and solving a new problem. But rigor is committing to not just stopping at that scientific satisfaction, but bringing this through the greatest complexities, all the way to improving human health. It is taking the understanding of mRNA or siRNA and truly bringing this to a state that improves and provides true benefit and alleviation of human suffering. When we think about rigor, it is about not accepting the status quo. It's about never going back and finding the new path from possibility to proof, one that is unprecedented, the one that has been followed over the last 2 years as something that was unlike anything we've ever seen. If you looked at history, it would say that what has been accomplished would be impossible. But we have shown through rigor that there is absolutely faster and better paths forward. Rigor is a deep knowledge that the mission is the most important part of the goal. I applaud our partners and industry leaders like AstraZeneca who prioritize the availability of vaccines, the availability of life-saving therapies over profits in times of dire need. Rigor is not stopping until the goal is accomplished. It's been discussed throughout the day the importance of not only the vaccine availability, but also ensuring that everyone across the world has access to life-saving therapies and preventions. So we are far from, this war on COVID is far from over. So tonight, as we honor inventors, scientists, and innovators whose rigor has not only enabled us to share this incredible occasion, but whose work in transforming lives all over the world is the reason that we're here to celebrate. We also should look forward to the next 50 years of the Galien Foundation. Its rigor, thank you. What excites me as a founder and CEO of a transformative technology company is that it is the rigor of not going back to inferior methodologies that will help drive us forward. It is harnessing all of the things we've learned over the last 2 years to radically advance the path from possibility to proof, radically accelerating the ability to go from an idea to a life-changing innovation. So let's raise our glass and toast to ostinato rigore, unrelenting rigor, the reason we are all here.